Hi everybody! I'm creating this channel to help document my process while I create two different costumes for a convention in July. Today is April 5th, 2019, and the first costume that I'm working on is Rose Quartz from Steven Universe, and the second costume is Midnight from My Hero Academia. So I'm just tracing out some very small, not drawn to scale patterns right now, just to give myself an idea of what kind of dress I want Rose Quartz to have. I thought it'd be fun to design Rose Quartz's dress like a rose. So once I'm done sketching this little piece out here, I'll show you what I mean from these little guys over here. Alright, so here's my finished little cutout. This is more traditional of what Rose Quartz's dress looks like. It'll focus. Maybe this is focused, I don't know. And this is my, this side, this is what I'm thinking. So, obviously this side would be significantly easier to do. It would just be 4 layers on each side and maybe like half layers on the side because I'm not two-dimensional. So yeah, so I'm not sure which one I'll do yet. That's why I'm excited to get like a larger quantity of this kind of fabric to be able to practice on it. Earlier in the week, my boyfriend helped me create a dress form, and it'll be much easier, I think, once we get the fabric and I can create some kind of a mock-up first and then put it on the dress form to see how over my head I'm in, or is this really possible. So hopefully the next time I check in, I'll have more of a finished product either with this outfit or with my Hero Academia costume. So until next time, see you soon, bye.